my goodness, look at that. A shopping bag. Cool. Lemons. Awesome. A fun little note. Ooh, little mushrooms. Every time we get these are, I don't know what these are, people? Maybe little mushrooms. Maybe feet. Ooh, little vases. Cute. Bigger mushrooms. Ooh, some sunglasses. Oh, these look like strawberries. Awesome. Little stands, wood stands. Mermaid tails. Oh, they look like little bells. Ooh, look at these beads. Oh my goodness. Okay, we gotta open these. Oh my goodness, look at those beads. Fancy, fancy. I want to open these too. There's 4 of these. So you could use these as pegs, or you could use these as feet. How fancy. Looks like they were glued. Cool. And we got some little signs. 4 of them. Ooh, and some more beads. Ooh. I have to do something with those. Oh. Truck. Ooh, a charger. Oh, look at that. Ooh, a cutting board. And then like another pizza board. I don't know what I did with my other pizza board. It's here somewhere. Oh my gosh, and a crab. For summertime. Love it. Love it. Gotta find my other pizza board. I don't know what I did with it. I like this. This is cute too. I got ideas for this. And for these. Love these strawberries. And the fish tails. I don't know if you guys can see these very well through the bags. Let me show you these mermaid tails. Look how thick that is. So stinking cute. Super smooth, no sanding whatsoever. Look how thick that is. Like, it's like almost the whole compared to my finger. It's as thick as my fingernail. It is nice. Those are cool. gonna leave out what I'm gonna craft with right now. Does that fit? Oh, look, look. That fits in there perfectly. Look, it's a little stand. It fits in there perfectly. Can you see that? So it holds their signs. Perfect. These sunglasses are super cute. I have an idea for these. And these little vases, oh my goodness. And I love these. And these little vases here too. Wow. Okay, I got my wheels turning. And we're gonna use this lemon here today. And I got some other woodpecker crafts. Look at that. And we're gonna leave out the beads. These are my other woodpecker crafts I have. Wood cutouts. Also the same thickness. Super cute. Okay, let's get to crafting. Okay, so I am taking these 2 wood cutouts from Woodpeckers Crafts, and I am going to be painting them these 2 yellow shades. Now, one is a Oops paint from Lowe's, and the other is Maize from Waverly. And I give them a good coat front and back. Now, the deeper yellow I love, and the maize gives it a nice highlight. So I go over the whole thing, the whole lemon and the jar with the same colors. And then I use the maize to just go around the edges and highlight. It's very, very subtle, but I love it. Okay, now with the little jar, I'm taking this 2021 calendar and I am cutting out the little, well, it's not little, the bigger, I don't know what you call that, little snippet at the top of the back where it shows you the preview of the calendar. So I just cut that out and I'm going to use my glue stick, my purple glue stick, and I put this over the entire bottom of the jar. And it's a little bit bigger, and that's okay. This paper is a little bit thicker, so I do not use Mod Podge, and it is shiny on the top. So I just glue it down with my glue stick, and then I take my X-Acto knife, and I go around the edges and just cut off the edges. All right, I got this X-Acto knife from Temu, and it actually works really good. I got a whole kit for just a few dollars. This paper was kind of thick. 2001, the calendars were a lot better quality and thicker at Dollar Tree than they are today. Now, are you guys still into those calendars? Because I have a whole stack. I have 2022, 2023, and I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. I don't know if anybody's interested in those calendars. So if you are, please leave a flower down in your comment and I will know to have a giveaway. All right, so that sanding block I got from Dollar Tree. I don't like it. The the paper's really thin and it rips very easily. So I did use it on this just because it was handy and right there, but I don't particularly care for it. Then I took some twine that I got from Dollar Tree because it's thinner, and I tied it around the top of the jar and made a little shoestring bow. All right, so then after I make a shoestring bow, I put a little dab of glue there on the bow just to hold it in place. And I wanted my little tails to hang down straight, but then I forgot and I make a little tag. I get distracted. I make a little tag. Actually, I made probably 5 or 6 little tags because I just was not happy with the way they were turning out. And I just cut it from paper. I was going to cut it from, drop cloth, but I couldn't find my drop cloth. And so I just cut it from paper and I take my little ink stamp here, and this is a clickable ink stamp, and I get this at Michael's. I have an uppercase set, and this is the lowercase set. And finally, you can see my little pile of tags there. After about the 10th try, I finally got it to where I like it. And then I'm going to glue this down, but then I decide, okay, I'm going to put a little yellow button there too. So I put a little yellow button in the middle of the bow, and then I cover up the L. That's okay because crafting is not perfect, and there you go. I still think it's super cute. And for a tiered tray, who cares? It's super cute. I like it. Okay, guys, today is the Fake Sweets collab, and our theme this month was sour. The hosts of this collaboration is Tami from Happiness Created and Kiki from Kiki's DIYs. So don't forget to go over and visit their channels as well as the playlist. I will have them listed down below in my description box. Now, this is my absolute favorite DIY. Oh my goodness. Do you guys remember those sour lollipops that you could get? They were like one big sweet tart on a stick, except for sweet tarts aren't sweet, they're sour. I am recreating those. Now, I saw this on another lady's channel. I was Pinteresting, trying to find ideas for sour treats. Her channel is called Peep This, y'all. So I will have her channel linked down below in my description box so you can go and check her out. She does a lot of faux foods, fake and bakes. So I just found her last night. Oh, I mean a few days ago, because I'm not a procrastinator or anything. I didn't just do this video last night. Okay, maybe I did. Anyway, so these turn out super cute, and I used what I had on hand. Now, she recommends using the smooth styrofoam balls. All I had were the regular styrofoam balls, and I did have some double-sided sticky tape. Now, the double-sided sticky tape I had was a little too thick for the size of balls that I'm using, so I cut it down. And so I had a thicker strip and a thinner strip. And I used the thicker strip on the medium size styrofoam balls, and then I used the thinner strip on the smaller size styrofoam balls. And she also said that Dollar Tree had a 3-pack of double-sided sticky tape that works really well, that has 3 different sizes. Now, I haven't found that at my Dollar Tree. I haven't seen it before, but you know what, y'all? That gives me a reason to go to Dollar Tree and look. So I'm going to go do that probably later this evening and try to find me some more double-sided sticky tape because I love how these turned out. I think they are absolutely gorgeous, and I think they would be perfect for, birthday parties. If you're having a candy bar, how cute would this be for centerpieces? Now, when I was looking up ideas on Pinterest, oh, by the way, my Oops paint is dried out. Yeah. So it's time for me to go through my Oops paint and see what's good and what's not good. That's a project for this weekend. Anyway, I made these. I forgot what I was talking about. Oh my goodness. I made these as authentic as I can make them. I made them in pastel colors in what I remember as a child. Purple was my favorite. Uh, Purple and orange, I think, were my favorite flavors. And so the colors I used, I think, are spot on. So you're going to have to let me know if I did a good job at recreating these or not. Now, I do feel like the smoother, there's the colors that I used. The smoother styrofoam balls would be better. But like I said, I'm just using what I have on hand. Now, this color here is called Brushed Lavender, and it was an Oops paint. And you have to take the coating off because of double-sided sticky tape. So you take the plastic off and the paint sticks to it just fine. By the way, this double-sided sticky tape is super sticky. I think the kind I had was Duck brand, but I still think it came from Dollar Tree. I cannot tell you 100% for sure because I only had a little bit of it. So I made as many of these lollipops as I could with the double-sided sticky tape that I had. Otherwise, I would have made more. Anyway, okay, so I give these 2 good coats of each color, and I'd like to say that I waited for them to thoroughly dry, but I did not. The tops were dry, but the bottoms were not dry for some reason. And you know, you can't use your heat gun on them because they're styrofoam. So I waited for them to mostly dry, and we got out something special that I haven't got out in a while. Anyway, I think I was saying that these would be perfect for a candy bar and decorations, you know, for a baby shower or a baby's birthday or something like that. Now, I did see these on Etsy when I was looking on Pinterest, and they were selling for $68. Now, I don't know if that was a set of 3 or 5 or what, but I think it was a set of 3 and they were $68. And those styrofoam balls better have been humongous for that price. I don't know, but they were, I just thought that was outrageous. Now, here we go, guys. See there? The glitter pan. I have not gotten out the glitter pan in so long. Usually I only do this for Christmas, but I, I love this. So I use some spray adhesive and I am going to be glittering these up. Now this glitter I got from the bin store and I want to say it was only half price, but the price on it is $1.91. So whether I paid half price or $1.91, either way is a good deal. Cheaper in Walmart, and I'm pretty sure I only paid half price because the bin store was clearing out their inventory and I got several jars of glitter. So anyway, and this glitter is super fine, and I think it's called Crystal Sparkles or gosh, I don't know. I'm so sorry. I'll put it down in my description box for you. But these turn out so stinking cute. I love them. They're my favorite, and I love them. That's all I got to say about that. So the purple one is my favorite, and then the pink cloud and the pink are my next favorite, but I love the dust color. Oh my goodness. Love the dust color, which is the blue color. Now, I used the spray adhesive on some, and then I also tried it with some Mod Podge because I wanted to see how it's going to work either way. Either one, either technique is fine. I think the lady on Peep This Y'all used Mod Podge and hers were all different colors. I stuck with making these, try to make these look original. And so I used the more muted pastel colors. Now, I used a stencil brush because my foam balls are not smooth. They have the little air pockets in there. So I wanted to make sure that the Mod Podge got down in the little air pockets along with the glitter. So that's why I used the stencil brush. And then don't go spinning your lollipop because I literally spun Mod Podge all over me and my table. Anyway, oh, I was having a time. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by this week and supporting my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your support. And don't forget to go over and visit the playlist. The host of this collaboration is Tami from Happiness Created and Kiki's from Kiki's DIYs. And the other lovely ladies are going to be in this playlist. I cannot wait to see what they made. and I hope you enjoy it. Now, I did not have time to finish the lemon completely, but it still turned out super cute with just the highlighting, and I think it goes really well with the jar just together. Now, I just put these on the top of my fireplace to display them for photos, but I do plan on putting these on my tier tray. What do you think about those lollipops? You can see the sparkle from the glitter. I love that. Oh my goodness. Are those not adorable? Now, I think I'm going to have to agree that the smooth styrofoam balls is probably going to be the way to go, but like I said, I was just using what I had on hand. Still think they turned out super cute, and I love them. I love the little jar. The Woodpecker Crafts wood cutouts are so worth the money. They are, I mean, the quality is just impeccable, guys. If you want to order anything from Woodpeckers Crafts, I do have an affiliate link down below in my description box. But those lollipops, oh my goodness. Let me know if you love them as much as I do, because I am just in love with these. So I'm just showing you that I picked these up. I literally picked these up Thursday at the thrift store. This picture was only $2.99, and there went my lollipops. They fell out, but I don't care. I had to show you they were $2.99, and the other picture was 99¢. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like this video, here's some more that you might like as well. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one.